How to uninstall the Wuthering Waves on PC. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can uninstall the Wuthering Waves on PC. So there are a few methods how you can do that. I will show you how and what methods you can use to uninstall the Wuthering Waves from your PC. First of all, what you need to do is just open your PC. After you open your PC, just open the control panel. You can uninstall it using the control panel as well. So you will see the option like this on the control panel. Just search for control panel on the search bar, and after searching it, you need to follow the steps. Open the control panel, locate the program on the control panel, and click the uninstall program. So you should just click the app that you want to delete, and after you click on it, just tap on the uninstall button right there. Now look at the Wuthering Waves on the list. Skip through list by pressing W, right click on it and choose the uninstall or change. How you can do that is, you will see add or remove programs right here on all the option after opening the control panel. Just tap on there, and after that, an alternative way to uninstall Wuthering Wave is to search or add remove programs in the Windows search bar. For that, just tap Windows S and it will manually Windows S or open it manually by pressing the window I, then clicking on the apps, scroll down and just look for the Wuthering Wave app. After you find it, just tap on it, and now you can simply click on the uninstall button right there. So that's how you can do it. You can also do it by Epic Game Store. Epic Game Store is somewhere you install all the game from. So go on the Epic Game Store and search for the Wuthering games from the Wuthering Waves game on the Epic Game Store, and you will see the very option of installed right there. Now you can just uninstall it by tapping on the uninstall option, and it is uninstalled, such simply like that. So these are some steps how you can uninstall the Wuthering Waves on your PC. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.